Hello friends, today's topic new virus in India 2 market crashes. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Significant fall in markets today. Nifty was down by 1.6%, Nifty mid cap 100 index by 2.7%, Nifty small cap 100 index down by 3.2%. So Nifty could not sustain the 24,000 level which we were talking yesterday. Nifty has fallen below its 200 DMA also. India VIX, which is the volatility index, jumped up by around 16% today. The major reason for the fall is HMPV concern. Human metapneumovirus HMPV, a respiratory virus that causes flu-like symptoms. This virus comes 5 years after the COVID-19 pandemic and reports suggest the virus is spreading rapidly. Social media posts and a video indicate crowded hospitals with some alleging that multiple viruses including influenza A, HMPV, Mycoplasma pneumoniae and COVID-19. Indian Council of Medical Research detected 2 cases of HMP virus cases both at Baptist Hospital in Bangalore. First one is a 3-month-old female infant while the second one is a 8-month-old male infant who tested positive for HMPV on January 3, 2005 after being admitted to the same hospital. While there are claims that China has declared a state of emergency, neither Chinese officials nor the World Health Organization has confirmed this. HMPV is known to cause flu-like symptoms and also present symptoms similar to COVID-19, prompting health officials to closely monitor the situation. Although some social media reports describe a critical situation, China's foreign ministry has downplayed concerns, stating that the spike is due to the winter season and such cases are seen every year. China has reassured the public and tourists that it is safe to travel in the country. Other countries such as Malaysia and Hong Kong have also reported increase in HMPV infections in recent months. In Japan, an influenza outbreak has already caused thousands of cases with 94,259 flu patients reported the week leading up to December 15, 2024. Meanwhile, in India, the Union Health Ministry has confirmed the detection of 2 cases of HMPV in Karnataka during routine surveillance. The ministry clarified that HMPV is not a new virus and has been in circulation globally for years, including in India. It stated that there has been no unusual surge in influenza-like illnesses in the country, reassuring the public about the current situation. The ministry said it will monitor the situation of respiratory illnesses and urge the public to continue practicing preventive measures including proper hygiene. As of now, we don't know whether this is just a routine flu-like situation or whether it is bigger than that. Today's stock market reaction was a knee-jerk reaction due to the sudden fear of corona-like situation. Market experts believe that unless the situation becomes very serious in the coming days, market fall due to this reason cannot sustain. In fact, except for the huge market crash in March 2020 when corona was first spreading across the world, stock markets did not fall when subsequent waves of corona impacted India and other countries. So don't panic if you are a long-term investor. Continue to hold and invest as per your plan. In fact, we should focus more on staying healthy rather than worry about what will happen to markets. If in case there is some more weakness in stock markets, as usual, you must welcome it as a long-term investor since it will give you an opportunity to invest at lower prices. In the past, we have seen long-term investors who have panicked due to various announcements and sold their stocks or mutual funds. Such investors have always regretted the decision later once the market recovered or rallied in the future. So be mindful of this and don't take any decisions in a hurry. Here is an announcement. ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಕೆಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹಣ ಹೂಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. YouTube live discussion for all channel members on 8 January Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr.Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. At the end of the video, here is the question. Do you expect a further 10% fall in markets due to this new virus outbreak? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.